same bug and what I should not miss. Is there a reason to my grieving, leaving all those broken things? What am I trying to say? What I should not miss. Is there a reason to my grieving, leaving all those broken things?
Being human, we live in this reality that, certain places are really beautiful, certain places are really man-made and stuff. So it's kind of I'm just thankful for this moment in nature, so we can reconnect with the Mother Earth. And being human beings, we're also animals, and so this is where we like to be.